In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek website or just making a simple information page, organizing content with bullet points can be incredibly useful for readability and emphasis. So let's dive into the process of adding those bullet points efficiently in Webflow. To get started, you'll want to open the Add Elements panel. This is your toolbox in Webflow where all the magic begins. You can access it by looking for the plus icon typically located on the left-hand side of your screen, or you can simply press the A key on your keyboard for a quicker shortcut. This panel contains a variety of elements you can drag and drop onto your page, ranging from basic building blocks to more advanced features. Once you have the Add Elements panel open, look for the List element. You'll find it categorized under Basic Elements, and it's represented by a stack of bullet points icon, which makes it easy to spot. To incorporate the list into your design, simply click on the List element and drag it over to the section of your page where you want your bullet points to appear. As you drag, you'll notice areas of your page highlight, indicating where you can drop the element. After releasing the list element onto your page, this is where you begin customizing your list style. Webflow provides several list style options, and for the purpose of creating bullet points, you'll want to select bullets. By default, bullets will create a simple, orderly list style that will automatically apply to the items you add, making it both visually appealing and easy to read. If you have a specific design or style guide you're following, Webflow also allows you to customize bullet styles further through its Style panel, perfect for if you need to change colors, sizes, or indentation to match your overall design theme. Now that your list is ready, the next step is to enter your content into each list item. This is often the most creative and engaging part of the process. Simply click into a list item and start typing the text you'd like to appear next to each bullet point. This could be anything from a series of ideas, features, instructions, or steps you're explaining. Remember, clarity and conciseness are key when filling in your bullet points, so aim for short, impactful text that conveys your message effectively. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to add bullet points in Webflow. This straightforward process not only helps organize information neatly, but also enhances the visual impact of your content, making it more engaging and accessible to your audience. By utilizing bullet points, you'll ensure that your website's information is delivered in a straightforward and user-friendly manner. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!